Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is amazing hybrid tea rose varieties. Hybrid tea roses, a cross between hybrid perpetual and old-fashioned tea roses, are most popular rose in the world. Hybrid teas are valued for their long, sturdy stems, perfectly shaped flowers, and unparalleled fragrance. Here are our picks for the best hybrid tea roses to add to your garden by color. Multicolored peas. The multicolored rose received the All America Rose Selection Award in 1945, and it's very easy to see why. It's one of the most popular roses ever, with perfect form and large double blossoms that are bright yellow edged with soft pink. The stunning blooms have mild, fruity fragrance. Red Mr. Lincoln. Another winner of All America Rose Selection Award, Mr. Lincoln's is the rose to choose if you want to add an absolute classic to your garden. It's easy to grow in all climates with large velvety double blooms. It also happens to be one of the most fragrant hybrid tea roses. So you will want to make sure you always take the time to stop and smell the roses whenever you are in the garden. Red Veteran's Honor. It has deep, dark red blooms with fragrance of berries. It was introduced in 1999 to honor the men and women of the America Armed Forces, and a portion of each sale goes to Department of Veteran Affairs. Pink Friendship. Not to be confused with the yellow and red bicolors roses, marketed by florists as signify friendship. Friendship hybrid tea roses have large, deep pink blooms edged with the wash of red and a strong, sweet fragrance. This 1979 All America Rose Selection Award winner can handle a variety of climates and shows good disease resistance. Yellow Midas Touch. You will feel like you have the Midas touch when you plant these easy to grow, climate tolerant, and disease resistant yellow hybrid tea roses. It won the All America Rose Selection Award in 1994, and it's well loved for its prolific deep yellow double blooms. Yellow Celebrity. Celebrity is famous for good reason. Gardeners love its fruity fragrance, adaptability, and the rich yellow double blooms it provides throughout the season. Orange Tropicana. Although Tropicana is prone to mildew, it may be worth the risk to grow this fragrant hybrid tea rose with double coral orange blooms. Tropicana received All America Rose Selection Award in 1963 and has been popular with gardeners ever since. Orange Voodoo. This All America Rose Selection Award winner is eye-catching blend of orange, yellow and red. It thrives in warm summers and shows good disease resistance. It has a strong fragrance and double flowers. White Garden Party. If you love a delicate white bloom, Garden Party is a terrific choice. Its double creamy white blooms are blushed with pink on the outside. Especially great as cut flower, Garden Party has a soft fragrance you will enjoy having in your home. Lavender Purple Passion. Purple Passion was introduced in the year 2000 and it makes our list as one of the best hybrid tea roses for its purple double blossoms and somewhat lemony scent. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like the content and the video. If you like the information, you can add a comment. You can also like my video and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.